Welcome to episode 4, more of the foam. This will probably go for a few more episodes until I can get it all done. Then I'll have a wiring episode, gluing some track in, all that good jazz. It'll keep going from there. Right now, this is how far the layout is. I'm going to go to the store, buy some more foam to redo over here a little bit. This top layer isn't going to be a cutout piece, it'll just be one big 2 foot by 3 foot square so that I can build the tunnels in a little bit easier. I want to get into building the pull-out section here for the yard. This section right here, I'm going to be able to have a handle on the top of or just some sort of way to lift the top of the display board up. I plan on putting it on drawer guides so it's a little easier to move up and down, and then build in a stick down here that I can put in the middle to support it while I do work or whatever. But that way I'll be able to lift the scenery up and out of place so that I can see down into the staging yard because it is pretty much under the entire mountain. Once I buy more foam and hopefully a board for the fascia here, I should be able to get a lot farther on the layout, so hopefully I'll be able to go buy that stuff next week. But right now this is where the layout's going to be this week. I'll see you guys in episode 5, and I hope you enjoyed the video.